Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can switch from Google Assistant to Google Gemini. So if you want to change your assistant from Google, the basic Google Assistant to Gemini, this is what you need to do. First, you need to make sure that the Gemini app has already been installed on your phone. So I've already installed mine. You can easily find it in the Google Play Store, and after that you can just go to the Google widgets on your phone and then click on your photos right here. Go to the settings of the Google on your phone, and in here you can see there is the Google Assistant, so just tap on that and scroll down until you find this digital assistant from Google options. Click again, and you can see that the current digital assistant on my phone is Google Assistant, and to easily switch it into the Google Gemini, just click on the circle in here beside the names of Gemini. Okay, after that click on switch, and in here Gemini will be open like this. You can see that switch to Gemini from Google Assistant. And in here you can write emails, posts, and more. Make learning easier. You can set up alarms, timers, and reminders, and also more. So click on switch again at the bottom and tap on the use Gemini. And now, just like that, the assistant on your phone has been switched into Google Gemini. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.